has probably the widest range of guides in the industry. They start with their 2300s, which are generally for 14 to 20 inch saw. They move up to their 2400s, which are good for a 16 to 24 inch saw. Then they've got their 500 guides, which are good for 14 to 30 inch saws. If you have an extremely large saw, they've got the 600 series, and that's good for 30 to 42 inch saws. And then the 400s are good for 30 to 42 inch saws as well. These are all adaptable with mounting brackets and shafts for just about any bandsaw in the industry, whether it's new or one that's extremely old. Then we've got the micro precision guides, which are the 30, the 20, and the 10. And anytime that you're dealing with material that basically has a lot of sap in it or is going to get a lot of resin on the blade, these are still the older guides that have the blocks which scrape that blade. These are adaptable to a 14 to 20 inch saw. These are adaptable to a 30 to 42 inch saw, as well as the 10 guides. And again, these are the older style, but again, if you're using something that has a lot of sap or resin in it, definitely the way to go. Now, if you go to Carter's website and you notice that there's not a specific kit for your saw, doesn't mean they don't make it. Give them a call and they will make sure that they get you the right mounting brackets and shafts to attach the right kit for your saw.